As we all saw that when India attacked 9 terrorist groups of the Pakistan, including Lashkar-e-Taiba, Jaish-e-Mohammed, Hizbul Mujahideen, when these targets were attacked by Indian Air Force, then Pakistani told this will be treated as an act of war. So, by concerning this topic, I would like to tell you when uh, when Osama bin Laden, who did 9/11 attack in America, when he was captured in Abbottabad in Pakistan, then why Pakistan not treated as an act of war against America? Because he was well known that they don't have the capability to do so. Now coming to the, I am not challenging the capabilities of India, but it knows that there is a big hand of America. And India is not a violence country. India just try to maintain the harmony in that including in the region of Jammu and Kashmir and other regions also. While the stand of America is completely different, it destroys their enemy at frequent of the time. Although India have learned this lesson from America, it also have started doing imitate operations against Pakistan or any terrorist groups, uh, like Uri the surgical strike, Balakot strike, along with this Operation Sindoor. So I was listening one of the Pakistan secretary who told that India do the state sponsored terrorism. So this is completely baseless. They just try to litigate Indians for concealing own errors. Though the entire world knew that Lashkar-e-Taiba, Jaish-e-Mohammed, Hizbul group which are being pampered by Pakistani government. But this is well done by the entire world. But for their own benefit, most of the countries try to support. As in the recent news, we all have seen that Pakistan $1 billion from International Monetary Fund. Now the entire money which have been taken from IMF, this money will not be used to their own development. Its proof is unequivocal. If they were using this money their own development, then this condition could not be arrived at that time. So their 50% rupees will use to sponsor terrorism. That is the fact, and Pakistan can never ever deny. Although India's stance is unequivocal, any kind of terrorist activities will be done against India in Jammu and Kashmir region or any other states of India, then India's stand is unequivocal that the water and the blood will not flow at a same time. Along with this, India will talk to Pakistan on the on the topic of terrorism and Pakistan occupied Kashmir, and India will not do any kind of trade because there is no kind of topic to talk Pakistan. India will give its unequivocal response if any kind of terrorist activities will be done in Jammu and Kashmir region or any other states of India. That is unequivocal. I hope you understand the stand of India, and as the ceasefire has been declared in between India and Pakistan. So by concerning this topic, Pakistan must understand that their image has been cleared, as recently they have uploaded a video, a photo that there was one of the terrorist which was designated by UN. He is doing the funeral rituals in front of the deadly terrorist, and the Pakistani army personnel are standing behind him. So by this picture, the entire world has been understand that how Pakistan do state sponsored terrorism. So this is unequivocal message to entire community that observe these these works of the Pakistan, and don't funks on the basis of unnecessary things. I hope you got a good information from my video. If you got, like, share and subscribe to my channel. But I emphasize on share. Please circulate this video in entire community so that people could understand the stand of India. And this is the reality, because I have been living in India for last 20 years. I have been understand that how the situations are going on, because I am living in India and I understand the situation of India. And also I have visited most of the places, and there is a no any kind of terrorist activities which occur because of India. If any kind of casualty occurs, then that used to be done by Pakistan, including Kargil intruders, 2001 Parliament attack, that 2008 Mumbai terror attack, 2016 Uri attack, and 2019 Pulwama attack, and this Pahalgam attack. So these are the attacks which used to be which always be done by Pakistan. And it's there are so many proofs which India have, but they just claim. And when the Uri surgical strike has been done, then Pakistan denied to do a table talk. Although now when Operation Sindoor has been launched, then Pakistan told that India should do a a table conference. Then I want to tell a small message to Pakistan. When India was uh, trying to make a good talk on Uri surgical strike along with this 2000 Mumbai terror attack, then Pakistan did not hear it. Just it focused to help terrorist groups. Although the entire community has been understand that what is the agenda of Pakistan's main agenda is to do the Islamic terror on in Pakistan. And the diplomats of the Pakistan who captured the entire economy in their own hands, and they just try to bluff their uh, own public. And when public starts understanding this, then they do any kind of such kind of Pahalgam attacks and much more, so that they could recollect their public on the basis of border disputes. This is the ultimate target of the Pakistan. So Pakistan is so unstable country, and the entire world community should observe this. Can never ever be neglected. I hope I give my entire uh, understanding which I understood on the basis of my experience and the newses. This is unequivocal that Pakistan do state sponsored terrorism. Along with this, like the Bangladesh, which has been out in 1971 from Pakistan. This was because of their internal conflict. They just do some violence on the basis of the creed of the Bangladeshis. They just imposed Urdu as the mandatory language in present day Bangladesh, which was East Pakistan at that time before 1971. And they imposed, and as a result of which they could not make a integrated part to Western Pakistan, which created as a Bangladesh in 1971. So, like similarly, the situation have arrived in 2025, that the BLA, Balochistan Liberation Army, this is a uh, one of the group which wants to take our own country, because they do some kind of biases with BLA people. So these are the realities of the Pakistan. And now I would leave the entire message on your own thoughts. Now you are free to decide that which country is wrong and which is right. This was ultimate message from my side. Jai Hind.